Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalu. I hope you all are fit and fine. Friends, if you are watching my this video, so I would request you first watch my previous video because today's topic is also related to my previous video. If you watch that video, then you can understand today's video concept very well. So watch that video first. And friends, in that video, I have told you what is the meaning of comfort zone and how can we come out of a comfort zone. And there I mentioned some tips also. And friends, those tips are very useful. As I am a learner, I am learning English language, so they help me a lot. I followed those tips and in my case they improved me a lot. I hope if you watch those video and if you follow those tips, so you definitely improved yourself. So watch that video, and who have watched already that video, so thank you for watching. So let's talk about today's topic. As friend, I told you what is the meaning of comfort zone in my previous video. So what do you think? Only coming out of our comfort zone, it is enough? No, it would be wrong to say like this. If I talk about next level, so you can say that after deciding that we have to come out of a comfort zone, so we start working on it. We challenges ourselves and we try to do something new in our life. We try to do something new. We want to learn something new. We do something new in our life. So it means that we come out of a comfort zone. And when we come out of a comfort zone, so what is next? We entered in fear zone. Yes, friends, when we do that thing, we come out of a comfort zone, so we try to do something new, so we have a fear to do that. Everything which is new, so it is difficult to do, and we have a fear, so we have to work on fear. If I talk about learning English, so there are so many things which is feared, like first we think that we don't know grammar, second we don't have any atmosphere, third we don't have partner to speak with English, fourth people will laugh at us, fifth while speaking I fumble a lot. So we fear from these problems, and the biggest problem is that when I speak wrong, people will laugh at me. So we have to fight our fear, we have to fight our problems. And friends, in this video I am not talking about how can we come out our fear. I have made so many videos, I have made already so many videos on these topics. So if you want to watch, so you can watch my previous video. So in this video I am going to talk about only the stages, the zone, how can we come out of a comfort zone, and how can we learn something new, and steps, and how can we improve. So in this video I am talking about only this. And after crossing our fear zone, anyhow we crossed this zone by doing practice, by working hard, by self-motivating. Anyhow we come over our fear. So what is the next zone? The next zone is learning zone. Yes friends, anyhow we come over our fear, so the next level is learning zone. So now when you crossed your fear zone, so you don't have a fear of people, you don't have a fear that people will laugh at me while speaking wrong, you don't have any fear of this word, so you can speak anything in English anytime, anywhere. So because we don't have a fear, we want to learn, we want to improve ourselves. So in this stage we learned a lot. this stage is going to teach us a lot. That's why it is called learning stage, because in this stage we learned a lot, because we don't have a fear of anything. We don't have a fear vocabulary, we don't have a fear of making mistake, we don't care about others, that what people will say if I talk speak wrong or anything else. We just want to improve, we just want to learn. So in this stage we learned a lot. So believe me, if you are a person who cross those stages, first your comfort zone and second your fear zone. So in learning zone you learned a lot. Yes, you learn a lot. If you don't know about English, you can learn, because we don't have a fear of anyone. In any learning we have only fear, that's why we are not able to learn anything. So if we cross this, so in learning zone we can learn, a lot. And after learning, what zone is come? The growth zone. So next zone is growth zone. Yes friends, it is very obvious when we improved ourselves, when we try to do something new. So day by day, with the passage of time, step by step, we grow. Yes, and believe me friend, in this stage, no one will laugh at you. No one will fun of you. You will be speak very good English. You will not be making so many error in grammar. In this stage you would be very confident person. You would be very positive person, and in this stage you would have different level of confidence in you. You would a very confident person, you would very positive person, because this is the stage of growing. You would growing a lot in this stage. So friends, believe me, if you follow these things step by step, stage by stage, so you would be speak good English. You would be a good speaker. You improved a lot, but you have to work on it stage by stage. For that, first you have to get out your comfort zone, come out your comfort zone. You have to say yourself that I have to speak, and you have to say that no matters what problem comes, I will speak. And don't think about vocabulary, grammar or anything else, but you have to say I have to do it. And if you do that, then the next level is fear zone. Don't think about others. You have to speak. Whatever you speak, right or wrong, you have to speak in front of anyone. If you have a fear to speak in front of anyone, so face this fear. If you have any fear, so you have to face that fear. If you do that, so next level is learning zone. In learning zone you learned a lot, because you are a self-motivated person, and you improved a lot in this zone. Believe me, because you don't have a fear of anyone, and we improved a lot. We tried a lot different things, different kind of things. We are motivated person, we have a self-confident, and we improved a lot in this stage. If you cross this, that next zone is growth zone. Here you improving, you're learning, and you have a positive mindset, you have a self-confident person, you have motivated person. You don't have any fear that people will laugh at you. You don't take care about any problems, any other person. So automatically you will grow, and if you grow, so everything will be in your favor. Whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve. Whatever you want to get, you can get. So friends, you will grow and you will improve a lot. And friends, in this video I just want to say say only this, and I am not explaining all these stages. If I do this, so it may be very lengthy and you will get bored. So if you want that how can we get out our fear, overcome our fear, so you can watch my previous video I have already made. And so watch that video, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and keep practicing and work on this. This is very important for improving our English, for improving anything else. So keep practicing. See you in next video.